Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Well, I'm just getting around to changing this pull cord. I don't really need it because I have the electric start, but if I'm not careful and I run out of gas, I then have to push this all the way over to the length of the extension cord. So it's always easier to be able to just leave the snowblower where it is and fill it up and then use this pull cord. So I've got the rope, so might as well go ahead. I'm reluctant to take it off because I don't want to mess anything up just before a snowstorm. So there's really nothing much to this. I just have to figure out how to thread this. Okay, so this only becomes wound or sprung one way, so counterclockwise. You can feel the tension there. So what I want to do is I match the length of the cord that broke to the new cord, and I have to feed it in, and it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what I want to do, this is where the knot comes through. I have to get that out, the remainder of that of the cord there. If I can get that out, you can see the knot in it. So I got that out, and that has to feed through here and match up with that hole. So let's go. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. So I can put a screwdriver in here. It's going to want to go this way, so that prevents that from releasing. Now I need to melt the end of this so it doesn't fray while I'm trying to push it through. So that looks good. Okay, so hope that's not a big blob there. Let's see if I can feed that through. That's going to be difficult. I wonder, that's going to be the difficult part, is getting that through there. Alright, so I went inside for a minute. I'm having difficulty getting this, but this is probably by chance. I first cut it off, and then it immediately frayed, so that's not the route to go. You do want to melt it. So I was melting it, and I got this big blob that sort of started to come off, and it left this long strand of filament here that seems to be kind of it's pretty strong. It has some strength to it. So I'm hoping that will allow me, it's almost like threading a needle, to get that through that hole, and then I'll be able to tug on it slowly to get this through the rest of the way. So I might have lucked out on this, but this is really difficult to get this to come through that hole. I think that because of the way this angles too, I might want to move that, reposition that a little bit. If I can just by luck get that thread to poke through. I don't think I can bring it in through this end here. But yeah, I don't think that's... Oh, oh, I lucked out. Oh, I need... No, I don't have a pair of needle nose readily handy. But that did it. I've got... Oh, I'm so close. I need a pair of needle nose. Alright, so... I've got something to grab onto there now. Come on. Oh, it broke off, but I have it right there. Oh, so close. I wonder if I'm going to have to drill that hole a little bit larger. Oh, is it coming through? I got it. All right. It's the small victories in life that make you feel good. Good. All right. So, melt the nylon cord until you get a nice long stringy filament, and that'll help you thread the needle. So, I'm going to put a knot in here. Excellent. I think that's all there was, is that one knot. That goes there. All right, I just need to put the handle on, and then I can release that screwdriver and it will thread through. All right, so let me melt this end. Feed that through the handle. Oh, might have too much of a blob there again. If I can compress that. Oh, even the handle's going to be a pain in the butt. Yeah, maybe that's the problem with that, because you end up with this blob. So you have to melt it while tapering it so you can get it through there. All right, there you go. So that's that. Let me put a knot in here, a couple of knots. Hopefully there's not going to be any slack when I release this. So now you just remove the screwdriver and this should feed through. Yeah, looks like I measured that perfectly. So let's see if this just easily lines back up. So this should just go back on like this. Let's get these nuts back on. All right, I've got everything tightened up. Let's see if I got my pull cord back again. Alright, so this is New England Gardening. I've got the pull cord all repaired, another project out of the way, just in time for the third nor'easter to hit New England here. We're going to get dumped on supposedly tomorrow, starting midnight tonight. So thanks for watching.